Hi, so as you can see, I'm over here on the side. Sorry the screen is a little clear, it's just because the lighting in my house. So this is my Prezi presentation. It's on an author, Gwendolyn Brooks. I'm an English teaching major, and so I'm going to take you through this presentation that my future students could do about an author that they research with the poetry unit. And as you can see down here, I have my comment. This is where the comment bars go. And so I'm going to start the presentation. The main theme is the pool table, because that is her most famous poem called The Pool Players. So I go in and I start with the biography, and I have a timeline that goes through her life. This side, it's pretty crazy, but it matches the poem. This is how it's supposed to look, so that's why it's so crazy. And then I go through more about her life. This is a picture of her. And I have another picture down here on the timeline. This was later when she was a lot older, as you can see. And then I go up here. Here's some historical facts about her that my students will do. And then I go into her different poems. So this video starts...
Miracle, the pool players, 7 at the golden shovel.
And basically, as you could hear, that was the author reading the Pool Players poem. That's right here. And after that, we have Strike. This is another one of her poems. Another one of her poems by Robert Frost, about Robert Frost. Another poem. Kind of crazy backgrounds, but they matched the poems, that's why I did that. And then at the end, we have all the references, which have a bunch of different links to the poems, the different websites I found the poems on. So, thanks.